Hi friends, welcome to Live Art Chennai. This is Mr. Universe. Today's session is about how to shade hair with a color pencil black. First I start with the darker part of the hair. Simple, if you want to get darker shade, you just give more pressure on the pencil. And also if you want to get lighter shade, same. You can give less pressure on the pencil. That's all. See, the hair characters look like little spiky as well as curly. It's not a long hair, so you don't need to have longer lines. Draw the characters first. So you should maintain the hair like smoother and softer. Okay, sometimes we'll do it like some hard hair or sticky. So just try to maintain softness. If you cannot bring the darkness as much as you want, go with 2-3 attempts. Go with the 2-3 layers of darkness, okay, so that you'll get extra dark. Also move your hand conveniently according to the shading, the directions. Keeping your hand in a single position, you cannot get proper stroke of the lines on the hair, so move your hand conveniently, as I said. So right side of the hair has more dark, so I think you don't need to show separate lines on that area, so fill it with dark. So every time you make sure your pencil is very sharp, so keep on sharpening the pencil. If you feel the hair is not so dark, it looks very light, go with another attempt to give dark. So you check, I'm going with 2-3 attempts, keep on doing dark. So next we can start with eyebrow. Since this is only for hair and eyebrow shading, I did not show the coloring part, so I just have with hair and beard shading and eyebrow. So before having mustache and beard shade, just have medium tone with a brown color. Right, so next to this we can start eyebrow shading. For eyebrow, keep your pencil very sharp because you have to show the separate hairs. Right, so next, mustache. For mustache also same, keep pencil very sharp. For mustache and beard, we need to show each and every hairs separately. Also there are some white hairs on the mustache and beard. You draw them and keep it as a direct sheet white. You don't need to have any white pencil or white pen or white marker to bring out the white hair. You just leave them as a direct sheet white and you dark other area of the beard and mustache, okay. But this experience, this technique, and you can handle this with good experience. You try with many of the portraits so that you will understand. It will not come simply with 1 or 2 portraits that you do, okay. Okay, the session is over. I think this video was very useful for you. Thank you so much.